Unity Systems Solutions. Dell Latitude 5430 rugged laptop. A rugged for any environment, the lightest, most powerful 14 inches semi-rugged laptop in the industry with enhanced battery life, 5G connectivity and Intel Core i5 processors. Plays well with harsh environments. 24/7 operations with dual hot swappable batteries with up to 25-hour battery runtime and express charge boost for up to a 35% charge in 20 minutes, so you can be always on. Unmatched screen responsiveness with up to 1100 nits of brightness for direct sunlight viewability. No job is too rugged for a laptop that's temperature tested from -20°F to 145°F. Drop tested from up to 3 feet and IP53 rated for a high degree of protection against dust, dirt, and water ingress. When the work is hard, rugged works harder. Boost performance and productivity with a rugged laptop powered by the latest generation Intel Core processors. Collaborate from anywhere. With 5G mobile broadband connectivity option for faster data transmission rates, lower latency and increased capacity even in remote environments. 14 FHD 1920 by 1080, 60 Hz, WVA, touch, anti-glare, 1100 nit, 100% sRGB, outdoor viewable. Microphone plus RGB HD camera. Connectivity, exactly when you need it. Easily dock, connect and share with any device using the USB-C Thunderbolt 4 port that supports two 4K external displays and 40 Gbps data transfer rates. Limit downtime with Wi-Fi 6E connectivity via secure 6 GHz band for higher bandwidth that speeds streaming and data transfers and increases collaboration from the field. 5G capable with the 5G capable Dell Latitude 5430 rugged laptop. Transmit data faster than ever before, with lower latency and increased capacity. First net ready with the first net ready Dell Latitude 5430 rugged laptop. First responders and public safety organizations can get priority access to the fast, reliable and high capacity LTE network core. Free cell, 53.5 watt-hours, express charge capable.